Here, this is a little update to the video I did, my video response to Lumberman 2011, concerning these really awesome flashlights. This is the Ultrafire. This is the bigger one. What is that model number? C8. And that's the bulb, T6. Sometimes these things develop a problem where when you press the bulb, the rubber bulb on the end to get it to come on, the light flickers, and you shake it and it'll flicker. Well, a lot of people have just been getting mad and sending these back and throwing them away, and the ones that haven't figured it out, bad-mouthing these, but it's just a minor problem. This is the part at the bottom that unscrews, and inside it is the switch and a spring, and I'm going to show you what they look like. This is the very bottom piece here. Hold on, sorry about that. And right around here, and I'm looking through the, this gets a little bit of tarnish on it. So what you do is take a Scotch-Brite pad and just clean that little bit of tarnish off. And also what happens is this threaded piece, which goes in upside down like that, is not in tight enough. I've only done this once, and I've used this flashlight for over a year now, and it's never done it again. And here's the part that goes over the spring. Now I'm going to put this together. I got to shut this off and figure out a place where I can put this camera where you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I think that's going to work. Alright, here's the bottom piece, part of the flashlight. That screws on right here. Here is the switch that goes in the very bottom of it. You might have to, there we go. That's what that looks. Now, I told you the contact there on the outer edge, you scuff it up, you clean it up. Now this goes, this goes in over the top of that spring. Like so. I gotta hold it upright because now this threads in on top of all that. Now there's two little holes. Those little holes got to face up towards you, and you screw it in. Well, I'll tell you what the best way to do this is. Hold this upside down. Put that in there, and get it started by screwing it upside down like this. There we go. Now, what I do to get this started is I take a pen. See how that's working? And this has got to be so tight you wouldn't believe it. And you can't get it that tight with a pen. So what I've got is a pair of these needle nose pliers that are real sharp on the end. I put it in here. I catch them two. I have to look at it and then I'll show you. I catch them two holes like that. And I tighten. It's hard to do and point it to you. Doggone it. Okay, I'm going to tighten it up here and I'll show you what it looks like. I just can't do both. Alright. That is tight, and chances are I will never have to do that again. But that little part there loosens up, and people don't realize it. And you could tighten it up with a pen if you just didn't have anything else, but it's better if you put a lot of torque on that, because it won't come back. And okay, that was my little update. This is the only flaw is that little ring coming unscrewed and not making a really good contact. So if you have problems with your Ultrafire, I would bet money that this is the problem. I mean, unless the LED goes out. But these Cree LEDs are top of the line. There's none better. Cree is actually the pioneer in these super bright LEDs, and they've earned a really good reputation for being long-lasting and dependable. Can't say enough good things about these flashlights. The brightness and the cost, and the simple repair. So, thanks for watching. I just thought I'd throw that in there, so if it ever happens to you, you know what to do.